Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Russell update for you guys. Russell got a nice little bounce today, which is pretty cool to see. Very happy about that. Like I said before, I think 100,000 Russell tokens is a smart bet to have. I think this is $1 billion coin. Yes, I know it's a meme coin, right? And I talk about utility coins on the channel website product protocol. What am I saying? I talk about meme coins on the channel. But I talk about meme coins that I think could be blue chip meme coins, like, how Pepe and, Shiba, Doge are so massive, right? And they stay massive, right? They never lose that. They never really lose that success. Even if they have pullbacks, they never really lose that success, right? I think the same thing here with Russell. So, I'll cover some meme coins on the channel, but, utility as well. But with meme coins, it's projects that I think have massive upside, and they're not just flavor of the day, right? And I don't think Russell is a flavor of the day. Why do I say this? Well, it's been out for almost almost a year and a half now, or a year and some months, right? It's been here. The CTO team, the community has never left, or else it would have already died, like most meme coins have died, right? Take a look at so many Solana meme coins that, are never coming back. Shark Cat, used car, what others, right? There's so many. Stanley Cup, right? There's so many memes on Solana that are never coming back. Whereas Russell has showed strength, has shown, catalysts and significant bounces in its existence, right? Throughout this entire year, right? And months, right? And now is a good time. Like I said, anything that could get you 100,000 Russell tokens is a great bet. So that's right now, it's $469, just to round it off, for 100,000 Russell. $469 right now for 100,000 Russell, right? As you can see, man, it's one of the only coins that had a nice little 22% move up from, its recent dip down to it recently dipped back down to 3.8 mil, right? And it's bouncing back up from 3.8 to 4.6, right? Like I said, I think 100,000 Russell is a great bet. I think this is $1 billion, if not $3 billion meme coin. If Toshi, Brian Armstrong's pet cat, went to $1 billion market cap, why would Brian Armstrong's pet dog not also get to $1 billion, if not higher? Because in history, it's historically proven that dog coins have outperformed cat coins, right? Even if recent example, Dog with Hat and Popcat. Dog with Hat got to 5 billion market cap, and Popcat only got to 2 billion, which is amazing still, don't get me wrong. But the dog coin outperformed the cat coin, and I'm sticking with that thesis, right? Not saying that Toshi's a bad buy. I think Toshi's a great buy, but I think you should definitely have some exposure to Russell, because it's still in a much cheaper position than Toshi is, right? I think Toshi will potentially go to 5 to 10 billion, 3 to 10 billion in the future, but I also think Russell, Brian Armstrong's pet dog, will achieve said, price predictions of 1 billion to 10 billion as well. And I'm sticking with that thesis, right? Let's take a look at the Twitter. 6,287 followers right now. Who let the dogs out? Let the Russell community take over. Another nice AI edited video. What's great about the Russell community that I noticed is you see how, like, in great massive memes, people change their profile pictures. I see a lot of people with like Russell profile pictures or Russell inspired profile pictures that have been following me on X, right? And that is very bullish, right? We have cat.base, which got the recognition of Brian and Jesse every day, tweeting to Brian Armstrong to share the dog's name, right? And it's already been 14 days. Time is flying by so fast, right? So again, the community is really pushing, and this is a great, in my opinion, this is a great narrative. This is a great risk you should take in this space, right? There's not much opportunities where you have, the chance to bet on proven success, right? It was proven already that we saw Brian Armstrong's pet cat go to $1 billion market cap. So in my opinion, Brian Armstrong's pet dog to $1 billion market cap again is not far-fetched. I really don't think so, right? You could reply in the comment section and let me know why it is far-fetched. We could debate about it, but I don't think that should be the case, right? We also saw Grok. If you ask Grok what's Brian Armstrong's pet dog's name, Grok responds Russell, right? After, Twitter and everything unveiled from, I think that it was the wedding ceremony. Someone replied at the wedding ceremony when Brian got married, when Brian got married to his wife, someone replied, congrats to both you and Russell, right? And Russell meant the dog, that Russell was the dog's name. That was the proven evidence that it was the dog's name, right? So which is why Grok identified that as Russell, right? So again, that is going to be the most massive catalyst, is when someone asks, say Brian Armstrong posts another picture of Russell, and someone asks, yo Brian, what's the name of your dog? I've been trying to find out for the longest, right? Then he finally on the timeline says Russell, or he does it in a video, whatever. That's gonna be the true catalyst that pushes Russell to $1 billion, if not $2 to $3 billion in the future, right? If not $10 billion, right? Because Base app is not going anywhere. Base is not going anywhere, and they will continue to onboard new users, right? And the flagship meme coins for Base. Base app, the flagship meme coins, which I know meme coins aren't going anywhere, at least the blue chip ones. The flagship meme coins are going to be for Base chain, Toshi and Russell. That's just my opinion. Those are the two. Toshi for the cat lovers, Russell for the dog lovers. And that's my thesis. So as always, nice to see that Russell is up 20% in the past 24 hours from 3.8, 4.7 mil now. Nice to see again. 100,000 Russell tokens, all you need. At $1 billion market cap, you make 6 figures. I think that is great, right? As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe.